This is not another story. This is not another drill. I refuse to be another number now. I'm never staying down. This is something real.